Alright, we're going to talk about biconditionals and their definitions. So a biconditional is when a conditional and its converse are true. So if you remember what a conditional is, that means we're doing P to Q, and the converse would be Q to P. So if both those are true, then we can write a biconditional statement. So I have a thing here. We're going to turn it into a conditional statement. So a puppy is a dog. So we got to think if the reverse is true. So is a dog a puppy? Well, a dog can be a puppy, but it doesn't have to be a puppy. So this one is false. So you cannot write a biconditional statement for this. Alright, so let's see if this conditional statement is true. So if two angles add up to be 90 degrees, then the two angles are complementary. That's a true conditional statement. So let's see if the converse is true. So if two angles are complementary, then the two angles add up to 90 degrees. And that is a true statement. So, because the conditional and the converse are true, we can now write a biconditional statement. So to do that, you write it like this. If two angles, alright, hold on just a second. I messed up that start of that, so we don't need the if. Oh, I can't erase it. So we'll just cross it off. So two angles are complementary if and only if the two angles add up to be 90 degrees. So that is a true biconditional statement. Then what makes it biconditional, meaning the original is true and the converse is true. And when we write our biconditional statement, you have to make sure you have this if and only if. That's what makes it biconditional. Okay, here I'm giving you a biconditional statement. I ride my bike if and only if it is sunny outside. So we're going to write the two conditional statements. So the original conditional statement and then the converse of the conditional statement that make this biconditional true. So if it is sunny, then I will ride my bike. And then the converse of that would be if I ride my bike, then it is sunny outside. So I took that biconditional, I broke it down into the two conditional statements, the original and the converse of the original. So that's how you do biconditional statements.